What's going on, internet? So today what I want to do is revisit one of the first couple of murals that I ever painted with spray paint. So going back to this mural, what I want to do is share 3 of the biggest mistakes that I made when painting murals when I started out, because I didn't know what I didn't know. So I want to share those mistakes now. So mistake number 1 was not using quality spray paint. This was the Liquitex spray paint that's water-based, and I got it free from the festival that I painted at. I had a bunch left over, so I painted this one right after that. But you can kind of see how the colors really just fade. And because I live in Denver, Colorado, this got a lot of sun because we get a lot of sun throughout the year. So this mural got beat up pretty bad. And you can just see that just by looking at the chalkiness of the different colors, and especially the darker areas. And that leads to the second big no-no, and that is not coating your mural when you want it to last. Now, I didn't even think about that at the beginning, because at the beginning, I'm just throwing up these murals as fast as people will allow me to paint their walls, you know, just to get more murals under my belt and get experience and throw my artwork out there. I didn't even think about coating the murals afterwards, so that was a big no-no, especially if I wanted that mural to last a long time. Because even if I did use low quality spray paint, it would have lasted a lot longer if I had a protective coating on there to protect it from sun damage and basically environmental damage. And the third no-no was not prepping the wall. So you can kind of see here, the paint on the wall is really thick. There's a ton of different layers. You can kind of see it at the bottom as well. So when I started painting the wall and was given the opportunity to paint this wall, I did not prep this wall at all. I did not scrape it with a scraper. I did not sort of try to get as much of the loose paint that was chipping on the wall off the wall before I began. So that is something that will always cause a problem when you're trying to make a mural last a long time, because your mural will only last as long as the substrate or the wall that you're painting on will last. And if it's chipping away, if it's falling apart, then your mural will not last a long time. So that is a big no-no, not prepping your wall.